everybody, happy Halloween. I'm Alice and today we are going to make witch cookies. Do you like my witch hat? Let's get started, everyone. First we're going to start with cookies. We're going to lay cookies down like this. Like a yummy unicorn. We need do icing, a little bit for each cookie. Now it's time for Hershey Kisses. You like Hershey Kisses? I think you do. It started to look like a witch hat. Next we're going to do m&ms. It's so cute, guys. It's like me, little witch hat.